Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious baklava nests. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of phyllo dough, thawed properly, and 1 cup of melted, clarified, unsalted butter. Also, prepare 2 cups of your favorite finely chopped nuts, like pistachios or walnuts. Finally, we'll make a simple syrup using 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. These components are key to our sweet success. Now let's begin assembling these beautiful nests. Take 1 sheet of phyllo dough and brush it lightly with melted butter, then fold it in half lengthwise. Next, place a thin dowel or skewer along one long edge of the folded phyllo. Carefully roll the phyllo tightly around the dowel, leaving about 1 inch unrolled at the end. Then, gently scrunch the rolled phyllo from both ends towards the center, creating a ruffled effect. With your phyllo scrunched, carefully slide it off the dowel, forming a loose, circular coil. Arrange these delicate coils in a baking pan, ensuring a small space remains between each one. Now, fill the center of each nest with about 2 tablespoons of your prepared chopped nuts. Bake your baklava nests in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown and fragrant. Finally, let's add that irresistible sweetness. Bring your 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water to a boil, then simmer for 5 minutes to create a rich syrup. You can enhance the flavor with a squeeze of lemon juice or a teaspoon of rose water. Once the baklava nests are hot from the oven, pour the cooled syrup evenly over them. Allow them to soak for at least 4 hours for maximum flavor before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.